Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2018 Chevy Suburban LT 4-wheel drive, stock number Z9822XX. 13,000 miles on the Suburban. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, tungsten metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. This Suburban seats 8, leather interior, dual DVD players overhead with wireless headphones and remote, and rear climate control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that also seats 3. Backup camera, along with the rear parking sensors, trailering package, and power liftgate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear. 60-40 split third row seat, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Running boards make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with power adjustable pedals, and a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, put you in that perfect driving position. Shift up apply 4-wheel drive with auto setting, integrated trailer brake control, power moonroof, read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, advanced safety features like forward collision alert, automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. Navigation. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control, along with heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a spacious glove box with the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and liftgate control. Under the hood, this Suburban has a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles per gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Suburban, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.